What's up, guys?
Hello.
I'm filming a video with my friend this time.
Again.
We filmed a video
Just a few
yesterday.
weeks ago?
I think it was a few weeks ago, yeah. And yesterday, because we're having a sleepover, but this is the second day, so he's going to be going home today.
Or I might have another day.
Who knows? We're going to be playing Zombie Attack.
Because I have a lot of things.
You know a lot of things. I'm the boss of this.
I literally have a notebook and my Doctor Strange necklace. Because I'm Doctor Strange.
But you do have like a frog necklace on right now.
Not a frog.
Yes,
It's
it
an
is.
elephant.
I'm not gonna do hard. Wait, should I do hard?
Nah. Go for easy.
I'm just gonna. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch her by the toe. If he screams, don't let him go. If he screams, 'cause he will. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Boy Scouts, you're out. I'm gonna be a zombie. Oh, I love this map.
Oh yeah, that's the best one. I'm gonna read it.
Oh, there's only 2 enemies left, including me. And the
was
wave
me
is
as well.
cleared. Boss incoming.
Oh, boss incoming.
Boss incoming.
Zeki,
guys.
look, you have that.
I just got this shotgun today.
Yeah, me too.
Me and Kum were playing Zombie Attack before we started filming, but then I had this really great idea to just start
Look
playing.
at this beautiful sword!
Look at mine. I have dark heart.
Mine's better.
No, mine is like yours looks better, but mine is like the higher damage.
Yeah.
Like mine is actually the better,
Look
but
at that
yours
sweet baby.
The dark heart is basically just the
It's my baby.
the
I'll always look
old.
after it.
Oh, the tank is down there.
Oh shit.
I didn't even realize
Die!
that.
Die! God, I'm over full ammo.
Oh fuck!
Oh fuck.
Don't swear.
Sorry.
This is a no swearing channel. Oh, gee, move. I hope he doesn't. I'm just gonna sword him. Wah! Ouch! Ouch! No! 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 I'm gonna go in first person. That girl has a rapid fire gun that has 100 bullets. No! I got hurt. No! I hate that. Oh, he's almost done. He's almost done. He's almost done. He's almost done. We're gonna beat this guy. We're gonna beat the mega tank. Yeah, boy!
I was being the zombie and trying to kill you.
Wait, were you actually a zombie?
Yeah.
Where were you?
Zombie.
What zombie were you?
I was a green zombie.
Green zombie?
Yeah.
Oh, the normal zombie.
Oh shit. Crap. Die. Final.
Hey, can you not say bad words, please?
Okay. I'm just slamming.
I wish you could actually kill people in this game. Multi-mode.
I'm gonna go for
Whoa, jeez.
Wee!
I just got a headshot. You know when you go...
Tell me
Guys,
that.
if you want to know how to get a headshot, you just have to aim at the head. But when you know that you've got a headshot, it's when their head is missing.
Oh, I got a double
You see,
headshot.
his head is missing. That's because I got a headshot. Boom, headshot! Boom, headshot!
Just to tell you, I'm playing on my iPad, guys. I got it up.
Yeah, I really wish we could have like 2 cameras going on.
Yeah.
This
Zeki, I'm shooting you.
this
I'm shooting
is
you,
my
Zeki.
friend right here. He
Woohoo!
thinks you can kill people, but you really can't. You can only kill zombies.
But I'm killing.
You can't. Someone just threw something at me.
I have a grenade. I could throw it at you.
Yeah, but it won't do any damage. And besides, I'm faster than you.
That's because I'm on an iPad, idiot.
Dude, everything is the same, you know?
Yeah, I know.
So, it doesn't depend which gadget you're on.
I'll backstab me. Oh, what, zombie?
What?
Clap out, you zombie.
Well then,
I said clap.
Yeah, I know. Can you not say bad words?
That's not a swear word.
I know, but it's a bad word to say.
Oh,
Kids, don't say that word, okay? He's just being naughty. Oh, gee. Oh, jeez. Oh, snap. Dang.
The kid's trying to get up on my face, hit the branch.
Oh, that's right. I have the dog pet. I have the dog pet. Die! I'm just gonna knife a zombie to death.
Zeki,
Yeah?
one shot on this and they go to red and they die. Sometimes they die with one shot. Sometimes they just go
Oh,
to
I
red.
just got that zombie's arm.
Oh.
Whoa!
Zeki,
What?
help me.
What do you mean help you? Oh wait, hold on. I need to be AFK for a second. I know I'm getting killed, but I don't really care. Because I have a tactical shotgun. And I can jump.
Zeki, I'll help you.
I'm getting chased by millions of zombies.
I've got a grenade.
I'm literally just like holding down the button.
Crap.
I'm not gonna play this in first person much, but I will right now.
Zeki, can you
Oh,
help me? Go away, beast. Do it. I just told you. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
That sword won't do much damage, you know.
Huh?
The wave isn't clear. There's still one enemy left.
Not him.
I got him because I got 66 health.
Yes, I got speed.
F you!
Forget you.
I wish you could kill people in this game because I would totally kill you. Because we were playing, I think it was an assassin game. Or no, it was called Sniper City.
Yeah.
And I was just getting him left and right, and he didn't even use a sword. What a doof. Oh geez, Santa.
Let me.
It's not even the season, Santa. Go away. You're 2 months early. Wait, no.
Santa, you died in like a million years.
This
So
is the
die,
last day of the
die,
weekend.
Santa. Die, Santa Claus. Oh my God.
This is the last day of the weekend.
Yeah, I know.
I hate this day. Oh! Energized elf! This is why I don't like playing in first person, because people can just jump up right behind me. I'm gonna get this ice guy. I got 14 coins. I've got a lot of money. I've got 3.86k.
I have 6, 5, 1.
Why do I have 2 shotguns? I'm holding one shotgun and then one's on my back.
Yeah, me too. That grenade's mine.
That's not even a shotgun. I've got a tactical shotgun. You
Yeah,
just
but
got a
one's on my
shotgun.
back and one's in my hand.
I wish we could play the game that I like the most, but you haven't even tried it yet.
What is it?
Remember the zombie RP?
Oh, yes.
No, it does not. It's my favorite
I'm
game.
just kidding.
Idiot.
Zeki, try to
Yes.
find me.
I literally just saw you come up here. You're up there. That's the
Where?
worst spot ever. You're up here.
Yeah, but no zombies can get you up here.
Oh yeah.
Watch out!
Excuse me, I think they can. I really want to play. After this video finishes, let's
I
play.
killed a whole lot of zombies. They're trying to kill me. Die! Die! I got a damn revolver, right?
You died. Oh! I'm getting chased. I hate the void. The voids take so long to kill. The angels take a lot of time to kill. I mean, come on, it's an angel. Angels are delicate. So you should be able to kill them in like one shot with a pistol. Who's Tank Crystal?
Yeah, it's on my left.
Wave cleared.
Dang it, I was just on the tank.
Oh, which one were you?
Oh, the green one. I only have the
Oh my-
green one.
Dude, you should totally buy.
I can't. I want to save my money. Zeki, try
Guns
and
don't
find
matter
me.
right now.
Zeki, we're playing a game of hide and seek. Try and find me.
I don't really want to find you
I
because
want
this
to.
map is so big.
I have no key.
Oh my god!
No swearing, kids.
Oh, I've got invincibility. Whoa! Missed. Oh, I got his arm. You see that, boys?
No, I do not.
Oh, I'm gonna help this girl.
Wait, what?
Woo! Woo! Oh, jeez. No, I got frozen! I got frozen! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Oh,
Stop touching me! Corbin!
I'm coming, I don't know where you are.
Tactical shotgun. All I needed to do was that. I'm so dumb. Corbin drew a picture of all of his friends, and he said that I'm a midget.
No, I didn't. I was just a bad drawer back then.
No, not back then. A day ago.
No?
You literally drew that like a day ago.
When? That one I showed you last night.
Yeah, that one.
The one with the
You
monster
said the
on it.
little. You said the little thing that is a midget. She had the knife, and I was like, "Is this my mystery?" And no, that's just the starter knife. Everyone should like not be on the level
Brace
1.
yourself.
I'm the second person on the leaderboard.
Becky, help me. I'm getting chased by ice.
I don't care.
Ice, ice, baby. Ding, 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 ding. Ice, ice, baby. Ding, 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 ding.
Ding ding ding
Ice,
ding ding.
ice, baby. Ding, ding,
Hey,
ding,
you know
ding,
this
ding.
little guy's pet? That pet that he's holding?
Yeah, zombie.
Yeah, it actually it actually throws
Ice,
the
ice,
little
zombie.
bombs. I got the multiple.
Ice, ice,
I got a
zombie.
multiple.
Ding, 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 ding. Ice, ice, zombie. Ding, 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 ding,
Why
ding.
did I just get close when I pulled out a gun? Okay,
Let's kill these suckers.
that guy wanted to die, I think, or he was just being dumb. And he thought he could kill a lava zombie.
Guys, I'm going so good on this one.
Oh, Corbin, they can't see.
Oh, come on.
Remember, it's only what's on there. Unless we have a face cam, then we can. Oh, jeez. What are zombies? What are zombies? I can't move. I can't move. I can't move.
Okay, 3 more until the boss.
Well, I don't care.
I felt far from you. I'm gonna overload it.
I hate when I die and then it's on the boss level. Because then I actually want to, like, help defeat the boss.
Yeah, so.
I know,
Wait,
right?
wait. So, 2 more until the boss. Guys, I'm getting ready. I'm pooping on the edge of the place. Poop, poop,
Again, I have
poop,
2
poop,
guns.
poop, poop.
I really need to change my gun. I have 4K. I'm gonna go up somewhere tall. I'm gonna like I need somewhere where I
Zeki,
can
did you
look
see what
at-
I said?
What? Corbin, that's disgusting.
What? I like pooping.
That's disgusting, and besides, this is a family channel. I don't really care if I die. I just want to see what I can
I
buy.
like pooping. Wait, can you actually store these?
No, I don't have enough. I don't have enough. How dare he? I'm a
Hey,
sand
guys.
monster.
One day if you play this game, if you're a fan,
This is me. This is my friend. I'm getting him. I'm getting you.
you have to help us. Wait, what? Zeki?
I'm the sand monster over here. Corbin, you almost got me. Someone's getting me. Someone's shooting me. Corbin, you're such a noob.
You're such a noob.
I don't care if I die. Because I can just respawn.
But I just killed you.
But I can respawn, sucker. Just shoot me, sucker. You little dweeb.
You're a dweeb.
You're a dweeb. Don't be mean to your friends unless you actually mean it.
Yeah. But they can't be a dweeb.
Excuse
No,
me?
take that, Zeki.
Shut up. It's only because I don't have the fast zombie and I see you.
That's not me.
You're on the hill. Yes, it is you.
It's not me.
I literally see you walking up the hill.
Back off.
I literally see you walking up the hill.
Back off.
I see you walking up the hill. Where'd you go?
In a good spot.
In a good spot, eh?
No.
Excuse me?
Uh-huh.
F you.
I got away.
Oh yeah? You got away? You got away, huh? Well, I saw those zombies, and I know that it was